West Valley Arts Council is very excited to work with Sun Health on a new class called Creative Aging in the Arts, taught by Gayle Glenn. It's going to be here at our gorgeous art gallery. The classmates will be surrounded by wonderful works of art for inspiration. Creative aging is a concept that's new to the West Valley, and it's something that we will be doing here in Surprise. We've been doing creative aging research for the past 2 years, but we're glad to finally launch a program with Sun Health.
The class is designed so that it will be accessible to a beginner as well as someone who is advanced. They can take it to any level that they would like to. I'm encouraging them to find their own style and to use their own style, or to just follow the beginning instructions, whichever they feel comfortable with. We're going to start with several greeting cards where they're going to learn simple lettering techniques and to use the watercolor and ink together. And then we're going to advance to landscapes and finished paintings that they will be able to hang on their wall. So they will come away from this class with probably 5 or 6 greeting cards, a half a dozen greeting cards, and maybe that many finished paintings as well.